In the water, children wade. In the water, God's gonna drink the water. There's a young girl dressed in red, wade in the water. Must be the children that Moses led. God's gonna drink the water. In the water, God's gonna drink the water. Wade in the water, wade in the water, children wade. In the water, God's gonna drink the water. Who's that young girl dressed in white? Wade in the water. Must be the children of the Israelite. Oh God, in the water. Wade in the water. Wade in the water. Children wade in the water. God's gonna drink the water. Who's that young girl dressed in blue? Wade in the water. Must be the children that's coming through. Oh, that's gonna through the water. Wade in the water. Wade in the water. Children wade in the water. God's gonna drink the water. If you don't believe I've been redeemed, wade in the water. Just see the Holy Ghost looking for me. Oh, the water. Wade in the water. Wade in the water. Children wade in the water. God's gonna drink the water.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, Grace MacIntosh. Very well done. Did you nod to the judges on your way home? There you go.